Hello guys, same problem again, all the time. I'm trying to play this TV show and see what it gets. Let's see. See? There you go. So it means I cannot play. So again, I'm gonna tell you what to do. So I'm gonna get out, I'm going to settings, okay, so I'm going to display, I'm going to screen resolution, and then I'm going to change, let's see, the secret is here, okay, so you have to play a little bit here, in order to get it right, otherwise you cannot play it. So let's see. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to restart. Okay. Come on. Okay, let's see. Come on. Why? Okay. So, see, I change. Let's go just check. I change the screen resolution. The display is, as you can see, 1080p. Okay. So I'm gonna try to play again. Let's see. Let's see what he says. Jesus Christ, my network is very slow. See, it's playing. Okay. So again, guys, very easy. Make sure you play a little bit here with the screen resolution. Okay, see, I change it. 1080p was here, I change to here, and then what you do is you go here, screen position, so let's turn off, that's it. You play a little bit like this, for sure it's gonna work. Thank you very much.